Hi there, good day and welcome to TechVatiyar. I am Janira. In this video, we are going to learn the installation procedure for Proteus Design Suite software for Embedded Systems Lab. The software is available in your Google Classroom under Software and Tools. Once you download Proteus 7.7 exe, click on the downloaded file and the installation process will begin. Now click Next, select I agree and click Next. Type in your name and in place of company you can type SKCET and then click Next. Again click Next and the installation process will be done. Once it is completed, click Finish. Now go to the Start menu. In all programs, you can find a folder called Lab Center Electronics. Expand it to find Proteus 7 Professional with ARIS and ISIS tool. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Do like and subscribe the channel for more learning.